Good evening, Sandhya.
Good evening, sir.
This is Yogesh here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. So congratulations on getting placed at Tele Kitchen.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
So myself Sandhya from Chitradurga and have done my graduation in civil engineering at GM Institute of Technology, Davangere.
Okay. So how did you come to know about CMTI?
One of my friends suggested this.
Okay. Which course you joined here?
IDM plus BEAM, sir.
Okay. So what have you learned during your internship at CMTI?
So I've learned about the interior standards, like the standard dimensions, the laminates, finishes, and had been for some site visits. Sir.
Okay. And what about the site visit? Which are the sites you have visited?
So I had been for the IBO, pepper fry, material depot, Emily, Tilly kitchens, and for the production process, I have been for Glamours.
Okay, good. And during your internship here at CMTI, how was the support from the trainer, coordinators, and the
It
staff?
was good, sir. They supported very well.
Okay. And coming to your HR support, and can you tell me like how many interviews you attended?
4 interviews, sir.
4 interviews.
Yes.
And how was your preparation for the interviews? I'm sorry?
3 interviews. I had been for 3 interviews.
You attended 3 interviews. And how was the preparation from your end?
So I prepared, sir. Like I referred the notes which was given in the institute.
Okay. And what about can you just explain in detail about your last interview process?
So last I had been for Tilly kitchen, and it was of 2 rounds. And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಕುಸುಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ. ಓಕೆ
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Good, nice. And which role you have been appointed as?
ಕಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. Finally, like now, what do you like to tell to your friends or students who wants to join, or maybe the juniors who would like to join?
It's quite good joining here. You'll get the real-time experience rather than theoretical. You'll learn about the practical also through site visits.
Fine. Wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations again on your placement.
Thank you.